Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to integrate Odoo with Shopify. Before we start, it's important to be reminded that the app in this tutorial is not free and does need a one-time payment. With that in mind, let's get started. First, go to your browser and type in apps.odoo.com, and this link will also be provided in the description box below. If it's already visible for you, click on this Shopify Odoo connector app, but if not, you can just easily search it in this search bar above. So as you can see, as of right now, this app is $587, but do remember that this is only a one-time fee. So if we scroll down here, we can see what this app can do. So it can export operations and import operations. So you can import products here, the price, stock levels, images. You can also import customer details, import locations, and all that. In this export part, you can export and update products, variants and details, product stock, price and images. You may also export product stock from multiple Odoo warehouses to Shopify. And that is how you can easily integrate Odoo with Shopify. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.